G'day guys, Ron here from Osborne Digital Marketing. I'm going to show you how to install a header and footer code manager for your WordPress site. Okay, so you've logged into your WordPress page. All you need to do is come down to plugins. Just while we're on the topic, sometimes you'll note that your sidebar might be like this. To extend the sidebar, just simply click that little button down the bottom that looks like a play menu. So you click on plugins, scroll up to the top, add new, simply come across the search bar over here and you want to type in HFCM. So that stands for Header Footer Code Manager, which is this bad boy right here, and it's by 99 Robots. So you go activate. Now you come down, scroll down, just double check that it has installed and you should see it over here in your sidebar. The reason for installing this type of plugin is to help you install tracking code. So for instance, you might need to put in your Google Analytics, you might need to insert Facebook pixels, Twitter pixel, LinkedIn pixels, whatever. You're going to need this bad boy to install all of that information. So now the way you can add tracking data is simply I've clicked into the HFCM, which is in the title bar. Sometimes it might not be there. You might have to go back into the plugins and actually access it through this. So that could be a possibility if you don't see it automatically install in your sidebar here. So that's just something to be aware of. Now to create a tracking code as an example, you just click the add new, and depending upon where the code needs to be placed, so again, if it was Google Analytics, in this situation, you can just say GA because you'll know it'll be Google Analytics site-wide, so you can set it to specific pages, what type of code it is as well, so you can have it as Java or HTML, and where on the page it should be. So again, if you're adding your schema, if you're adding anything that is relevant to this, you're going to need to utilize either one. So if you need something placed in the header, you'll utilize the header. And then once that's all done, check that everything's correct, hit the save button, and then that'll be across your site as long as that's what you've wanted it to do. I hope I've made that nice and easy for you. If you've gained any value from this, please hit the like and subscribe button. Helps me out a ton. Encourages me to make more videos like this and help you wonderful people out. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.